Learning, greetings to you all. This is a live demo of the Kyson Song web application. I want to run through particularly the shortcuts on this web application. You can see that there is a search bar, a numbers pad, help, and all these different buttons already on here. But what I'm going to spend the time on is the shortcuts. And the first thing I'm going to show you is when you press I, a panel appears showing you the different shortcuts that you can press to do the different things. And the first one we're going to do is going in full screen by pressing F. By pressing F, you toggle the full screen, then you want to escape that, you just press escape. And then if you want to toggle dark mode, you just press V. Right, and to reverse that, you just press V again. Then, if you want to navigate to a song, let's say 195, you just press 195 on the keypad and press enter, and you're taken straight to 195. Then, if you want to toggle dual mode, you just press D. If you want to disable it, you press D again. Then to navigate to the different verses, you press the right arrow to go to previous, left arrow. To go to the next song, not next verse, you press shift, then the right arrow, which takes you to the next verse. Then to go to the previous verse, you press shift, then the left arrow, and takes you to the previous verse. Now, if you want, you know the song, but you don't know the hymn number, and you want to search for it, you press Q. Then you search the lyrics of that song. Say Chief of Sinners. Press enter. Here's the song. There we go. Then one last thing. If you need to edit the lyrics of the song, because you see some sort of error or spelling error, you press this edit button down here, and then you make the changes. And please do this very carefully, because when you make the changes here, you change it for everyone who's using the web application. Save your changes. If not, you can just press cancel. Right. Then to go back to the list of hymns, you just press B. And if you need to see the shortcuts again, you press I. And if you need more info about the application and to see another live demo, the first live demo, you press this button here, and then you click Watch Demo. And there we go.